Yes, you read the title of this video correct. You read it correct, okay? It's not clickbait. I'm backing out of my father's house. So actually, at the time of editing this video, I mean, when you guys will be watching this video, I'll already be out. So yeah, I'm just packing my stuff. I started with this table. There was a lot of things on this table and in the drawers. I just removed them and I put them in the trash, the stuff I didn't need especially. So I'm standing in front of the closet. As you can see, I don't really have a lot of clothes in this closet. I just have a good amount of clothes for a girl. I don't have a lot of clothes. I mean, I don't know why females are so obsessed with clothes. So I'm just going to put some in boxes, and I actually have only 2 luggages that I own, and I want to put some clothes in the luggages, and then I'll put some clothes in boxes, because I'll just go to my new place and then put my clothes in the closet, so don't need to put them in luggages. Let me set the camera down actually. So set the camera down. The way I had these shoes in this box originally, it didn't look like there was any more space, but now that I've had to like reset them, there's room for more, so I'll just grab some more shoes. Ow. Hey guys, so I don't know why I'm saying hey in the middle of the video, but I have already packed my shoes. Let me show you guys what I've packed. So in this box, I have to buy tape from Walmart and put on these boxes, but like these are my shoes, and this place is entirely empty, and I have these 2 boxes. I'm going to put, oh my god, this box. This is for my jeans and pants and whatever else I want to put in here, and these are the things I want to put in that particular box. Of course, not this bra. So these are all the clothes I want to put in those boxes right there. These boxes are pretty big. I have 2 of them. Oh, I have 2 of these. I actually have 2. Yeah. I also have I have some really smaller boxes, not smaller, but like they are just small. They are smaller in size for the stuff on this table here. This table looks a little bit of a mess, but yeah, I'm going to put all of those stuff in the boxes. This hair here, just I've already emptied these drawers just because I wanted to just clean up, so I'm going to just put all these clothes in these boxes. So right now it is a little over 12 o'clock, and it is the next day actually, because I fell asleep yesterday, but I actually packed all the stuff that I had on my bed and I put them in boxes. I just have a few more things to pack, but I'd like to end this video here because I don't want to keep going, you know, repeating the same thing over and over. Like I said, I'm packing, so any other clips you see will just be me packing. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and end this vlog at this particular level, because I mean, I've actually packed a lot. Wait, what the heck is that on my window?